let's make chicken, mushroom, and onion Alfredo pasta. Here's your recipe. Pretty simple and great for meal prep. You're going to want to start with breaking your pasta in half, which you'll see me do now, and just throw that right into your boiling water. Should look something like this. Our Alfredo sauce is made of cottage cheese, half and half, some Parmesan, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And you're just going to want to throw that all in a blender. I'm making the deluxe edition of this recipe, so here you're going to watch me cut onions to soften and then later add mushrooms and then saute them all together. We're going to throw those onions in a pan to soften, and while that happens, we're going to cut our mushrooms. Now that our mushrooms are cut, we're ready to throw all our vegetables in together. You want to make sure that you don't char your onions because it doesn't go great with the Alfredo sauce. So you want to make sure you watch them. A nice golden brown would be ideal. While your vegetables saute, you're going to want to uncane your chicken and get it started in a pan as soon as possible. I like to do it at the end just because it keeps the chicken warm and everything is good to go. Right about now is when your vegetables should be done sauteing. You can let them go a bit longer, or you could just leave them as is. But for the sake of time, I just kind of set them aside and wait for my chicken to be done. You can season however you like. I like using cayenne and pepper for this recipe, just to add a little bit of spice. And with that, you can combine all your ingredients and enjoy.